The more truth you know, the easier it is to discern a lie. And I think because people don't know truth, they don't know that they're listening to lies. You know what I'm saying? This, like, for example, with my congregation, I encourage them, don't believe everything I say. Go home and check behind me. I encourage them to read the scriptures for themselves, bro. Go home and educate yourself in the word, because you know what happens when you're filled with truth? Let me tell you what happens when you're filled with truth. When you are filled up with truth, you will hear lies, whether on a podcast, on an audio book, on a Sunday morning, and it'll feel like static in your soul. And the more truth you know, the easier it is to discern a lie. And so, but if you're void of truth, you don't know what God has said, then you can sit under a preacher, a leader, and be fed a placebo, be fed a lie, things that are not categorically true. And then what happens is we create in people's minds a Jesus that does not exist, a God that does not exist, a Christianity that does not exist.